guys, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. We are going shopping together as I go to my favorite place on earth, which is Saks off 5th. Buckle up, come along. We're gonna be going to do just a little bit of pre-Christmas shopping. Off we go to Saks. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday. This is how I guess I'm gonna be starting my vlogs when I do them. And we are headed to off 5th. I'm so excited to take you along with me to see what we can find. So you guys, I have just pulled up to off Saks Fifth Avenue. We're gonna be headed and take a look around to see what they have. Let's get going. Look at these Valentinos marked on with $3.99.99. Love it. And you guys, I've even found Celine sneakers here. There was a pair that was here. They were a size 41. They were not my size. But if they were my size, my God, I would have bought those sneakers, no doubt. Very hit or miss in their shoe department. They have designer items, but it's very limited. That doesn't mean that you can't find anything if you take your time and look. Look at these Ferragamo's. So gorgeous. These Manila Blahniks are everything. Love them. These Manila Blahniks are now $231.99, marked down from $775. Gorgeous. These are size 39. Roberto Cavalli sneakers. They're now $169. So cute. What I like about this off Saks Fifth, they have a great mix of things that are in the mid-range, luxury range, mid-level designer range. It's a great place to look for a wide variety of things. You guys, we are going to be headed deeper into the clothing section once we leave the shoe department. Clearance rounders. You can see it says up to 75% off, and that's everything that's on a rounder that has clearance and a tag that's either yellow or red. But there's so many things to look at. I love coming here just taking my time and like looking at everything. Trina Turk, that's adorable. Look at this. This is an Oscar de la Renta bustier for formal wear. It's now $999. And let me show you on the inside that this was marked down from $3,999 to $999.99. 74% savings. This is stunning. There is so much you could do with this. Pants, you could do a long formal skirt. This is perfect. This would never leave my wardrobe if I was looking for something like this. This is so gorgeous. Their selection in the sunglass area is limited. Sometimes you can find some really nice things. You know, guys, I picked up a couple of Dior's out of here. Picked up a couple of pairs that are really nice out of here. If you take your time and you look, it's just like anything else. It's just like going thrifting, except, you know, stuff is new. It's just the end of season clear out. You just have to take your time and look. You guys know me, I always shop the men's department because you never know what you will find. For instance, this Helmut Lang denim jacket, love. Do I need another denim jacket? No. There's so many options and it just opens up your clothing choices. And you all know that with men's clothes you can taper them and turn them into something that fits your personal style. If you take your time and look, you'll find some things that are really nice. I love this Gucci. Love. And that one too. Look at this Givenchy Paris clutch. Love it. I also have a Bottega bag. I have a vintage version of this bag, but this bag is so cute. It is now $1,249, marked down $1,789. Cute, right? And pink, the color of the season. So is this. Love this. This is now $549. Such a deal. I love basic black easy tees, something that you can put under a denim jacket or a leather jacket when you do not want to be too hot or too cold underneath. Perfect thing to pair it with. I'm gonna get this because this is on sale for $9. I headed check out. There you have it. Me and my little journey to Saks off 5th, which yielded this necessary, I feel basic, for pairing under jackets, for pairing under whatever that it may be able to go along with. This is a For the Republic 100% Pima cotton tee, sleeveless, and I love it so much. For $9.97 for a comfortable, soft, basic, you can't go wrong. You guys, that is it. That is what I have for you this week. I just wanted to take you along as I went through Saks off 5th so you can see where I love to go, what I love to do. And I especially enjoyed you guys coming along for the ride. Thank you so much for watching me this week. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more of me vlogging, please let me know in the comments section below. What would you like to see? Where would you like to see me go? Just let me know in the comments below. If you do not want to miss out on any videos that I post, tap that bell and you will receive a notification each time I post a new video. I post videos every Sunday, so don't miss out. Tap the bell, subscribe. Let's do this journey together. Links to my socials will be also in the description box below. If you have any questions about anything that you see in my resale side of the fence, my business, and my Poshmark closet, then feel free to leave me a message or reach out to me on Instagram. And as I said, that'll all be in the box below. Thank you so much for watching me this week. Be safe. We'll see you all next Sunday. Bye for now.